Look at that, y'all. What's up, y'all? This is Humber C. Today we got the 70mm F16. We put on Flaperons, so we're gonna test that out today and see how it does. So yeah, let's get her up on the taxiway and get her out. All right, guys, we're gonna get her out. Wind is coming from right to left, so we gotta take off from left to right. And look, we got the Flaperons, as you can see here. So we're gonna test them out today, see how they do. As you can see, when they go down, you can still control them. So it's just differential, basically. No, I did the maiden the other day. This is the second flight on it. Yeah. You can come out here. All right, guys, today we're flying without safe, so without further ado, let's just get her up. All right, taking off mid-rates. We're not going to take off with any flaps because I'm going to test it out when we get in the air because it's the first time. So without further ado, let's go. And finally, guys, the sun is not in my face, surprisingly, because usually we come out to fly later, but the sun is out, so high speed pass. The roll rate on this thing is amazing. We're gonna come. That was going into the wind, so now we're gonna go. We're gonna go with the wind on this one. And guys, this is without safe. Look at how nice she's flying, guys. This is with the Lemon RX 6-channel or 7-channel receiver. My bad. So this is the first flight with one of these receivers. Look at that, y'all. Using a bit of rudder in that turn. All right, guys, what we're going to do, let's get a little high speed with the wind. How about that? Full throttle. Woo! Wow. All right, we're going to do a little bit of slow flight. Look at that, guys. This thing is a high alpha monster, so you already know this thing can high alpha really well. We're going to test its vertical performance, matter of fact. So let's do that. Full throttle. Bring her up. Roll her out. Full throttle. Wow, guys. This thing flies beautifully. All right, so what I'm going to do up here, I'm going to bring it up a little bit and then deploy the flaperons and see how it affects the plane. So just in case if anything goes wrong, I'm going to have to... Oh, look at that. Oh, it does well with the flaperons, guys. That was with them. And you could obviously see it gave it a little bit of lift if that caught it in the camera. We're at our 1 minute mark, 45 seconds. So gonna get ready to land. Let's get our gear down. All right, flaperons. Oh, now hold on, guys. Oh my. I'm gonna bring that gear up, guys. Nervous, y'all. Woo. That gear down. Yep. Gotta ease her in, guys. Oh, front gear didn't come down, guys. Let's go check her out real quick. Let's see. Why did the front one not come out, guys? I'm not too sure. Might be a little jammed up in there. See if we can get it down at all. This. Oh, it's coming down now. Got a little bit of scratches there, but we could probably fix that up. So yeah, let's go get her back and give a review on it. All right, guys. Not too sure why the front gear didn't come down. Sorry. Otherwise, the flight was amazing. No safe. The landing was better than last time, definitely. As you can see in here, you can see the Lemon RX 7-channel receiver worked perfectly, guys. No failures or anything. So yeah, that's a good sign with these receivers. You could pick them up on Motion RC or on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, this was a great flight. I used flaperons for a little bit, not on landing, just because it was the first flight, and they worked perfectly fine. They didn't affect the aircraft at all. The roll rate was just a little bit slower, which is all right, because if it was in high rates, you would have had all authority. So yeah, guys, that was a really good flight. So we're gonna do the maiden on the Mirage right there, as you can see. That'll be the next video coming up. So yeah, this was just a flaperons video. Have a blessed day and stay tuned for more videos.